In this video, we're going to see a really cool application, or let's call it a web app or a website basically, where we can actually do live streaming and also record our videos without downloading and installing anything. So we saw how we can do streaming with other software in other videos in the channel, but this one here, this is just a simple website, so it's even easier, faster, and also you have the possibility to do it for free. Now we are already inside Streamyard, which is this web service or web app that we can use, and you can see here that I can create a broadcast. So this is the actual dashboard that you will find once you have registered. I'm gonna show you also where you can find everything, but basically you can see here that it's really simple. You can go here and do a new broadcast, or also record and use a pre-recorded video. Now when you do a new broadcast, you can decide here to go into a destination, so you can connect you to your LinkedIn page or Facebook or YouTube or Twitter or Twitch and others, and also you can select record only. Now if you do record only, here you have a title, and you'll also only have 7 days left if you use the trial. So this is not part of the free plan. So if you want to record also, you need to subscribe. But let's go back, and you can just search for StreamYard in Google. Here you can see here that the first result is gonna bring you to the official website, and again you can basically stream to all major social platforms simultaneously directly from your browser. You can also create invitations, so you can invite users and you can manage all your streaming and recordings really easy and fast. Now let's go here. You will find here also some instructions to get started. Now this is just an introduction here. We're not gonna go into deep with these, but you can see here that you can find anything else from the official website. Here you can access on the home page. You will find all the information you need. Also this nice animation that's gonna show you how easy it is to manage your streaming and messages. You can also create your customized banners and add your logo and add your colors, and you can see here it's pretty easy then to connect, and you have a lot of assets here that you can use already, like background overlay logos, as we said before. And you can add people really easy. You can see here no software download, multi-streaming. You will find all the information basically here on the home page, so no need for me to explain to you everything. Just go there and check it out. So let's go all the way up. All I want to show you here is the pricing, which is totally free, but you will have only few of the features. So you have a streaming limit, only 20 hours per month, and you can see here, for example, you cannot add a logo if you use the free version, and then you have basic and professional, which are not expensive at all, and you can then create your own space and be more professional. So just click here, type your email address, you will receive an email with a code, and then once you do that, you can access your space, and you can see here your past broadcast, your upcoming broadcast, and again everything. It's really simple. Here you can see the videos, but I have just created an account, so I don't have anything to show you. And also here you can set up destinations, so YouTube channel or Twitch, and again you find for example here, if I want to connect to Twitch, I can click here, type my account name and password, and that's gonna connect me, so I can then stream in Twitch really easy. And also I can add members. I have here team settings if I want, and I can manage billing and other stuff from here. So everything so easy, so fast, so simple, so free. because you don't have to pay anything. So you just need to get there and try it. And you can type your comments, your questions, or your suggestions. Again, this is just an introduction, but if you show us your support, we can create more videos. And if you want to support us, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support us a little bit more, you can join. Also check our other videos about video editing and streaming and other tools that we have presented in other videos like OBS or other similar tools, also Twitch and others. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.